Here I am with Daniel, who is just feeling the afterglow of his third intestinal cleanse from ZenCleanz as part of the Rainbow Cleanz. And I could just hear him in his bedroom and he keeps going, whew. So I was like, can I record you in this moment?
Light.
How do you feel?
I feel so much lighter. Yeah, and I've done 3 of these, right?
This is the third one, yeah.
The first one, not that much. The second one was epic. And then this one, it's like even more. And I was just like, and it's like 3 days after taking the stuff, and just all of a sudden I was like, gotta go to the bathroom now, and just like this release, whoosh, of just like old stuff, and you know, like the smell, and just like I saw it, and I was like, oh my god, that was in me. And just now I just feel like so optimistic. I can take on anything. I just feel lighter, and after like you do like a good meditation, you just feel like grounded and centered. And that's what's going on.
Wow. So now inside of your small intestine and your large intestine, like there's breathing room.
Yeah.
The skin is now exposed and you can absorb nutrients.
Yeah, like it's almost like the diaphragm is released too. Like it's easier to breathe.
Oh, yay. I'm so happy for you, babe. So let's show. Okay, go ahead. You continue.
Before you do, this is an extra bit of a warning. If you don't, we're going to show you what came out of me over the last 2 days in 5 seconds from now. So stop the video if you don't want to see this. Stop right now.
You're such a trooper and you're so game to let me show this.
Sure.
All right. So
not mine anymore.
Yeah, right? This is not you anymore. So here is the freaking mother load of what came out of Daniel. And I want to point out here,
probably something to the tune of, if you straighten that out, 8 to 10 feet or so.
Amazing. And you know, and I've done this is the 5th time I've done this, and so I've been through the whole cycle, and after the 4th one, nothing more was coming out of me, just the product. And some people are like, is this just product coming out, or is this actually the cleanse? I want to point out, if you zoom in a little bit, you can see the product. The product is like jelly-like, and it's so, like, that's the product. So that's what comes out of me now, because I don't have any more mucoid plaque. And so it's just product. But with him, you can see what they call sometimes ropes. It's like a lining on the inside of the small and large intestines, which is mucoid plaque from eating mucus-forming foods or eating too much food, not digesting properly. It starts to form a layer on the inside. And this layer is hollow on the inside because that's where the poop goes through. And so now that you've cleaned that layer off, you can actually digest better.
And it feels like I touched it, and it feels like touching like a frog.
Yeah.
Like that consistency.
And you can see some of the stuff in here is fat, like old, like here's some stuff right here. This is fascinating. Here's like the small intestines, and like there's all this light colored fatty deposits that were in the small intestine. And then over here, old compacted fecal matter.
It's
dark
darker
in there. And it stinks like you wouldn't believe because it's old stuff.
That's interesting if it's old fecal matter, and because the last time I ate food, because I did a 1-day juice fast before this.
So it's been like 4 days since you've eaten.
And I haven't pooped for days, so that's clearly, if that's stuck in there, that's old compacted poop.
Okay, we can probably take the camera off of that now. All right, so that's that. Thanks for sharing. Like I said, I'd share some videos during our 7-day cleanse, and so we're going to keep chugging on. We're doing enzymes. It's like these days in between the days in between doing the intestinal flush and then doing the liver gallbladder flush at the end of the week. These days in between are like doing a 4-day water fast, but with enzymes.
And I've tried doing water fast before.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't know you were going to talk.
Oh yeah, let me just say one other thing. I've tried to do water fast before, and I'm always just like, I'm starving during water fast. And so this is my first time doing the Rainbow Cleanz, and just having those little enzyme packets and just drinking some of the liquid enzymes. It hasn't been bad. I haven't been like, oh my God, I'm starving. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to liver and gallbladder flush next.
Because it's like you're fasting. It's like the benefits of water fasting, but you're taking all these enzymes throughout the day. And so you get the benefits of like a 4-day water fast, but with all the enzymes being flushed through your system that continue to detox your blood and all your being. So we're riding high, yo.